Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The Newmar Luxury Motorcoach, which is expected to be released in 2026, is the pinnacle of luxurious mobile living and leisure vehicle architecture. This upcoming model is set to raise the bar for luxury motorhoming, continuing Newmar's long history of superb craftsmanship and creative design. With its sweeping lines, integrated lighting systems that use cutting-edge LED technology, and painstakingly applied full-body paint schemes in elegant color schemes, the exterior profile is anticipated to demonstrate a harmonic fusion of aerodynamic efficiency and regal elegance. Large panoramic windows will probably be a major feature, providing residents with breathtaking views of the surroundings and flooding the interior with natural light. Power-operated entry steps and a large, secure entry door will make access easier, highlighting convenience and security. The 2026 Newmar Luxury Motorcoach's chassis would surely be a sturdy and cutting-edge platform, most likely purchased from top manufacturers renowned for their superb handling qualities and smooth ride quality. By reducing road vibrations and improving stability on a variety of terrains, independent front suspension and multi-axle systems will enhance the driving experience. Strong and fuel-efficient diesel engines and advanced transmissions will guarantee smooth cruising and sufficient power reserves for negotiating hills and pulling additional cars. To put occupant well-being first, sophisticated braking systems and extensive safety features like adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance technologies will be seamlessly integrated. It will feel like entering a finely furnished luxury condominium when you step inside the 2026 Newmar Luxury Motorcoach. The best materials will be used in the interior design, such as carefully chosen solid surface countertops, handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, and high-end leather upholstery. Large, adaptable seating arrangements, integrated entertainment systems with immersive audio and large, HD screens, and well-thought-out lighting fixtures that create a welcoming atmosphere are all features of the well-proportioned living areas. To satisfy the culinary desires of discriminating tourists, gourmet kitchens will be furnished with residential-grade stainless steel appliances, induction cooktops, convection microwave ovens, and plenty of storage space. The 2026 Newmar Luxury Motorcoach's sleeping accommodations, which include luxurious beds, high-end bedding, and well-planned wardrobe and storage areas, will provide a haven of peace and quiet. Beautiful tile work, residential-style fixtures, and roomy showers with built-in seating will all be features of spa-inspired bathrooms. Multi-zone, high-efficiency HVAC systems will regulate the motorcoach's climate, guaranteeing maximum comfort in all weather. Additionally, cutting-edge technology will be smoothly incorporated, such as intelligent control panels for controlling several coach systems, strong Wi-Fi connectivity, and smart home automation features for increased security and convenience. To sum up, the 2026 Newmar Luxury Motorcoach is expected to be a masterwork of mobile engineering and design, providing an unmatched combination of comfort, performance, and cutting-edge technology.